In this short video, we're going to learn how to slice and seed a cucumber like a boss. Alright, the first thing we're going to do in this case, you don't always have to peel it, but we're going to peel this one. Next thing we're going to do in order to seed the cucumber, we need to slice it right in half. Take each half with the spoon. I'm going to show you on this one. With the spoon, just do an outline along the edge of the cavern or the little groove where the seeds are. And this just helps you keep from scooping out unnecessarily flesh that you actually want to keep. And then what I do is I pull it towards me until we seed it. It may take a couple. That's what it looks like. I'll do one more. Along the edge of the canal, just to give it a little guide. Pull one half to you and the other half to me. That's it seeded. Then it kind of just depends on how you're going to be using your cucumber. You may want to dice it, in which case you simply run your blade across the length of the cucumber, and then whatever the size is, pretty easy peasy, huh? And that's it diced. Slice, it's a little bit easier, especially if you're going to want to be doing it thin. You can do it, it depends again on the size. If you're going to be doing it about as thick as this dice here, it's just simply follow your guide hand and try to keep it uniform. On the other hand, if you're looking for thinner slices, what you want to do is, instead of the normal grip, what you want to do is take your finger, and the knife sort of becomes an extension of your hand. And then using your guide hand, careful, you just use an up and down motion. Let's see if I'll move it in. A simple up and down motion. One more time, using your guide hand. As always, it is my privilege to be able to share this with you, and thanks again for watching.